November 19th, the planet Pluto will visit Aquarius for the first time since the Haitian Revolution. Y'all don't hear me though. I don't think you heard what I just said. Where my Haitian Africans at? It's time for Haiti to rise up. I'm calling it right now. Where my Ayiti Africans at? It's time for Haiti to rise right now. If you Haitian and you proud, make some noise right now. The first shall be last, and the last shall be first. The island of Ayiti will rise again. The blood of Toussaint L'Ouverture, the blood of Jean-Jacques Dessalines, the blood of Henry Christophe, of Boukman, of Cecil Fatiman, of Mat Kandau. The Haitian revolutionary ancestors will rise again. Pluto enters Aquarius for the first time since the Haitian Revolution. Pluto enters Aquarius for the first time since the American Revolution. Pluto enters Aquarius for the first time since the French Revolution. I'm not worrying about November the 5th.